Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix memory full issue in ChatGPT. Here you can see in the top, it's saying memory full. Okay, let's see how to fix this. Click on the profile icon that you can see on the top right side. Then click on settings. Then click on personalization. Click on clear memories. Here it says that GPT will forget everything it has remembered from your chats. This cannot be undone. Click on clear memory. That's it. Memory cleared. Now refresh. Now in the top it's not saying as memory full. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, comment below and hit the subscribe button.